Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get rid of Cash app on your phone. Let's get started. Before deleting the app, make sure you transfer all your money. Open Cash app, tap your balance and select Cash out. Choose your bank account and complete the transaction so you don't lose any money. Next, go to Profile. After that, tap on Link Banks and Card. Remove your bank account and card from Cash app for security. Tap Profile. After that, tap on Settings, then Close account. Follow the steps to confirm. Cash app will send you an email or notification confirming your account closure. Check your email or Cash app notification to ensure your account has been closed successfully. Don't skip this step to make sure your data is safe. Go back to the phone home screen, tap and hold the Cash app, then select the delete option or remove app. After that, tap on delete app, tap on delete again. The app is removed completely from your phone. And that's it. Now you have successfully gotten rid of Cash app on your phone safely without losing your money or personal info. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.